In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, you need to enroll the list of all apps and go to the settings then. Now find and pick additional settings and look for developer options. If you cannot find them here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock them, how to unlock developer mode and Xiaomi, and then enter developer options. Now scroll a bit lower, and here you've got automatic system updates. So unless they are already active, just mark the switcher, and from now on updates will be applied automatically once your device restarts. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.